We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing. In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, this is normally said as superfluous. You do want to stress on the second syllable, on the per syllable. Superfluous. In American English, however, this is usually said as superfluous. Superfluous in American English versus superfluous in British English. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.